Hey guys, we're here at Pinto Farms. They have an event called Lattes with the Llamas, and we're here to see llamas for the first time. So follow along. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Let's go see some llamas, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, this is what we're here for. Lattes and llamas.
Mommy, can I help?
Yeah, let's see the map.
Look.
Oh, it is. They have the brew house. They have gem mining, pony rides, a petting zoo.
I want a pony ride.
You can wash your hands, a hay theater. Oh man, a bounce pad. This is big. A playground. Look, a racetrack.
Oh, Mommy, can we?
Animal feeding,
Mom-
paddle boats.
Mama, can we go to the playground?
Well, let's see what we can do. We're here for the llamas, right?
Yeah, and the playground.
So this is where I think we line up. This is beautiful. So this is a free event, guys, that's happening. The farm doesn't open until 10:30 today, but they're opening earlier at 9 a.m. for the Lattes and Llama event, and it's first come, first serve. Make sure you follow their Instagram page. I will put their information down below. Again, it's free to enter and see the llama. So this is a really cool event that we're doing.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Follow me.
Okay.
Hello. I'm here. We're here from the. We're going to I don't know,
The llamas.
the llamas, and we're gonna feed them, and we're gonna go to the playground, and we're gonna go a lot of places.
Well, hopefully they allow us into the playground, right? Because we're here for the llamas, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope they will allow us.
Ooh, you ready, Esme? Let me see. Thank you. Okay, Esme, we're allowed in. You ready? I'm gonna follow you to the llamas, Esme, okay? Show me the way. Oh, yes, that's a new brew house. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, this is nice and serene. Oh, they have a food truck over here. This is the brew house that also opens at 10:30 with the park. This is free to get in. So, yeah, I see the avocado toast, and you could have had breakfast here next time. There's that beers. Thanks, Esme. Let's go see the brew house. Come on, Esme. Wow, this. Alright, this is pretty in here. Let me go see the tanks, the brew tanks. They brew their own beers here, so this is kind of cool. Whoa, look at all this. They do like a whole experiment, I guess, on them, huh? We got the tanks over here. It looks like they've packaged already a few beers back there. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful here. Look at that. Those are the paddle boats that you can rent. Llamas are here next to the brew house. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Oh, are you in a phone booth, Esme? This is cool. This is a really nice photo op. Yeah. Look, here it is. Lattes with llamas. We're gonna get in line. Oh, there they are. Let me see. Ezra, look, there they are. You see them? We're in line to feed the llamas, right? We're gonna buy the feed. So it's $10 to feed the llamas. Go, princess. There you go. You're gonna hold it? You're gonna feed them? Oh, she's ready for you to feed them. They're hurting themselves? Oh, he wants to eat. They're hungry. They're waiting for you to come feed them. Now Daddy's gonna feed them. Oh, look, it's gonna come to Daddy's hand.
He's like, what's that? What he's doing? He's like, what are you doing?
You hungry, buddy? There you go. You don't like it? Hi, good morning. Oh, here comes another one. Here comes another one. Whoa, that one's hungry.
I want to be the cow first.
That one is hungry. Oh. Good morning, llamas. Here. They are hungry. Look at that. Wow. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I'll try. Let me see. Here you guys go. Hey, buddy. Hey guys, feeding the llamas. The cow has me? Oh, your cup fell? Oh, there's a little cow too. Hello, buddy. Hey.
It's wet.
It's wet.
That's okay.
You like the cow better, Mommy?
Just hold it there so you can take a photo. Look, like this.
Oh, look at it. Hey, buddy. Oh, somebody's getting pampered. Good morning, guys. It's getting busy. A lot of people coming in. So because this experience was free, it was only to see the llamas. So it's lattes with the llamas and it was a free event. Now if you do want to participate in the farm, it was going to be about $23 and you had access to that entire map that you saw, and you just go back to the front desk where they gave us a wristband and you purchase it from there and you can enjoy the farm for the rest of the day. Alright guys, that's the vlog. Thanks for watching. We had such a fun time seeing the llamas. I've never seen llamas before, so that was a cool experience, feeding them and interacting with them. This is a really cool place. Again, for it to be free, something to experience with your child. Make sure that you follow them on Instagram so that you can catch up on any events like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching, guys.